So first, I'm going to start off by toning this wig with the generic version of Shimmer Lights. It works the same. Any type of purple shampoo will work. And you want to make sure you stir the shampoo through, because if there's clumps in it, your wig gonna turn purple, girl. You know what I'm saying? So, this is Miss Wiggy. She is an Amazon wig. Details will be in the description. And everybody doesn't tone their wigs, but I feel like, the color comes out better if it doesn't have like that brassy yellow. And literally I left it in there for 15 minutes, like walk away, left it, come back, 15 minutes. And so that water was hot as hell, so I couldn't put my hand in there bare. So had to put my little gloves on. And you want to make sure that the purple shampoo is not staining the hair or streaking the hair. Because if you leave it in there too long, it definitely will come out a little bit purple. So when you take the wig out, you just want to rinse it. And it don't got to be like hot water. It can be like lukewarm water. You just want to make sure that all the shampoo is out, so the wig is not soapy when you go to dye it. So I don't know if this really works. I've never tried it before. This is my first time, but I'm going to spray a little Got2b on the lace just in case, so we don't stain Miss Girl, We're about to see how this turns out. And then I'm going to put some more boiling hot water. Really, I didn't have to boil the water. I was just being extra. I could use sink water, but yeah. I'm using the color Cyan from Kiss Temptations, and you want to pour the color in there and stir it, as I stated before, because you don't want any clumps, because it will mess up the evenness of the color. And yes, I am using a little kitchen tool. Don't judge me, judge your mama. And then we're going to do a little paper towel test just to make sure it's giving what it's supposed to give. And obviously it was not, so we had to add a little bit of extra. And now see where I messed up at was I should have just threw the wig in there instead of like dipping it like that. But it's really not going to make a difference because I'm ombreing the ends either way. But what had happened was I had tried to spread the wig out like evenly in the sink. But you're going to see later on that the color did not stick even how I wanted it to, but I fixed it. Y'all are gonna see in a second. So, like I said, I probably should have just went ahead and put the whole bottle of the cyan in the water, which I didn't do, but I'm about to dip it again. And then it's still going to end up being like a little streak at the top. And you're going to see how I did it. Now, by no means am I a professional at this. But what I did worked for me. So if you want to take a chance and do that, then sis, go ahead and do that. But if it do not work out for you, don't blame me. So we're going to lay her in there a second time and see what she's hitting on, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't know what was wrong with me, but I should have just put that whole bottle in that sink, but I did not. but it's okay. Everybody make mistakes. I'm learning every day. So, as you can see at the top, as I'm trying to brush it out a little bit, it's still like that little top piece that just was not taking the color. And it very well could have been just the wig, because I'm learning that all wigs don't take color the best. But I don't know what possessed me to dab that dye on that hair like that, because I'm pretty sure the professionals will tell you that you're not supposed to do nothing like that. I don't know, but it ended up working for me. So what you think I'm gonna do? If it happens again, I'm gonna do it again. So self-explanatory, obviously you gotta change the water. And then the next color we're using is Sapphire by Kiss Temptations. Yes, honey. Yes, for the ombre blue. I love this color so much. I love jewel tones in general, but yeah, you get the point. I'm gonna start off by testing the color, of course, again. But the way I'm gonna dip it, right? I'm gonna dip it in there maybe a third of the way, and then you're gonna see later I'm gonna dip just the tips again, because I wanted more of a gradient than just the straight sapphire on the ends. So I'm dipping it halfway, and then later I'm just gonna sit just the tip of the hair on the sink and lay the wig on the side on the sink and let it sit so it can have a good gradient. You'll see later. So I'm just going to sit the wig here, and I left it for maybe like 10-15 minutes. Just the ends. So once you're satisfied with your color, what you're going to do is condition your wig. I don't ever wash it. You just need to condition the hair. And literally you can use any conditioner. This is just some leftover conditioner I'm using. It's Chi, and I think I got it from TJ Maxx on sale. But just any conditioner, just put it through the hair evenly. And I think I use lukewarm water. I'm pretty sure I didn't use hot water, because when I rinse my wigs, as you're going to see in other tutorials, one time I messed up and I rinsed the wig with warm water. And yeah, I never did that since, because don't do that, because that color, depending on what color you use, that color is going to rinse right out, honey. So lukewarm to cool water, please, okay? If I ain't never teach you nothing, rinse your wig with lukewarm to cool water. Do not use warm or extremely hot water, because yeah, don't do that. All I ended up doing was curling my wig, because that's all I ever do is a little body curl. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, this is my girl. You know what I'm saying? She cute or whatever. Just make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, follow me on all my socials, and keep it saucy. Where the cheese at? Where the